Today we are on Endsleigh Street in Bloomsbury. Bloomsbury is in the heart of central London. This is a fabulous location. This is an incredible property because we have over 5,000 square feet in prime central London, which is so hard to find. But meanwhile, you're surrounded by the conveniences and the amenities of living in the heart of the city. You have the University of London, other incredible universities, St. Pancras, the British Museum, and so much more in terms of transportation and cultural and entities at your doorstep. This is Endsleigh Street, and I can't wait to show it off. As we come into the kitchen, this owner has obviously created bespoke hardware and cabinetry, but it surrounds the beautiful original fireplace that's got marble details on it. The flooring's been updated to the owner's taste here, but look at this space. Again, with the ceilings, they've put in several chandeliers for their taste here, but could be changed over time. But you're going to definitely still feature the cornice and the molding details, and then looking right out onto Endsleigh Street in the heart of Bloomsbury. So plenty of space, room by room, can be modernized or step in as it is and really start using and enjoying the space every day. Talked a bit about some of the highlights of this property and the original classic traditional details that you're going to find, and nothing exemplifies that more than the original cast iron balustrade with a wood handrail. This is so incredibly solid. The stonework that features on the stairs, and that is definitely something you can see as well. So again, these would have been upgrades of the wealthy, they're aristocratic back in the day, but still ever present in this home. If you're a Bridgerton fan like I am, you will definitely see many scenes where they are hosting guests in the drawing rooms. And I imagine that's what this would have been. We are now on the first floor. You've got incredible ceiling heights. I don't know if this is 10, 11 feet ceiling heights, but it lets in and features the floor to ceiling French-like doors that lead out into a Juliet style, a little bit of more of a step out balcony here. But it's all about the ceiling height that lets in so much light. It's also about the level of detail, again, in the molding, the cornice work that wraps around the ceiling work. It's been modernized with recessed lights to let in much more light, which is incredible. And also just even the level of, we call in America, toe molding or base molding. That's got to be a good 12 inches high. Again, you would have had a fireplace featured, and we have one here. I can just imagine this room perhaps with some floral wallpaper and some curtains here. It's nice that it's been modernized on the inside, but definitely what you know is if you're buying this home, you are truly buying a traditional classic English home. And some of the features here will definitely remind you of that every day. Now on the next level, and this is going to be competing for my favorite space. Why? Because they have transformed this level into a complete master bedroom experience. We are in the walk-in closet space, which has plenty of room for your clothes, hats, shoes, handbags, all the things you're going to need, but beautifully separated, but flowing nicely into the primary bedroom here. Again, you have wonderful ceiling heights, plenty of space for a large bed here, as well as everything you need to create a beautiful sleep sanctuary while overlooking the main road. Now, let's head into the ensuite bathroom here, which is incredible. It's so large. It's got stone details here that are incredible. I can't imagine where they would have been sourced from, Italy or someplace, but really a nice mix of materials here. You've got this incredible bathtub. Never seen anything like it here, but truly a place where you can soak, relax, hang out. Probably big enough for the whole family, to be honest here. And obviously we've got an incredible walk-in shower as well. What I particularly love is they've got separate his, her, or couple vanities and sink experiences here, and designed complementary but very differently. And don't forget, we've got a beautiful original fireplace as well to help when you're soaking in the tub and looking for a bit more relaxation. This is truly a gorgeous family room. We have 5 bedrooms, if not more, depending on how you use it, in addition to our 2 reception rooms, as well as the ground floor. And this is one of the several bedrooms. You can see how large and spacious it is. It's been beautifully styled. This one looks onto the street here, but again has plenty of space for family members, in-laws, however you want to enjoy this room. In this bedroom, again, we've got an incredible original fireplace that's been modernized as well, but again, those details are really standing out. And that's what I love about this home, is that it can truly be a home for you, your family, to grow into and to enjoy for years to come. I don't know about you, but if I had my own personal sauna, I would be using it every day for stress relief. And this home has one. We're on the lower ground floor. You've got this private sauna space that you can utilize. In addition, you've got plenty of other space. You've got a front room that you could utilize as a gym or hangout rec space for the children. You've also got a lower ground floor shower room and toilet, as well as an additional room you could set up as a gym or hangout space. It leads out into our garden, which has been designed as the Zen Japanese-inspired garden here. But again, you could utilize it as is or adjust to your own taste. But being down here definitely has a calming effect. Well, I'm excited to meet the agent who has this listing. Trevor, good afternoon. I'm so impressed by this property, and I just really wanted to understand from you, what do you love about it?
Well, it's Georgian, so that's the first thing. You get the high ceilings, you get cornicing, you get shutters on the windows, a stone staircase, wooden flooring. There's just so many features, as the fireplace behind us, marble fireplace. So, yeah, lots of originality, lots of light coming into the property. It's just great.
We are in the back garden here, and by London standards, this is a really nice sized back garden or backyard. It's been designed with a Zen, Japanese-inspired vibe. You've got some tranquility with a little flowing stream that runs behind us, but plenty of space for entertaining. They put a custom, massive grilling feature here as well. But a beautiful space to come, relax, and be calm. As I said, it comes right off of your sauna and lower ground floor space here, so it transitions really nicely. I love this home. I love the opportunity to have a freehold property in prime central London with all the features, the amenities, and the details of a traditional home that's been modernized for contemporary living. If you want more details, definitely reach out, and if you have any questions or want to connect with Trevor, make sure to drop me a message, and I'll see you on the next video.